Hello. Today we're doing a calming breathing practice. I'm sitting down. I'm actually sitting down on the floor, but you can be on a chair, standing up, lying down. We'll do some breathing for about 5 minutes. This can be really helpful if you're just starting a meditation practice, and also even if you have an established meditation practice. Start to notice where you are being supported by an object that is not your physical body. So for me, it's the floor. You might notice the chair you're sitting on, your bed. If you're standing, notice your feet against the floor. And just spend a little time perceiving the boundary where your physical body has come to its limit, and then some other surface has come in and is supporting you. Even this right here is a meditation. In meditation, we're simply practicing putting our awareness where we want it. This can ultimately help us to feel a little bit of freedom from some of the dialogue that can go on in our minds. And as you sense and feel your physical body, start to notice your own breathing, your own everyday breathing. Is it in and out through your nostrils? Where are you breathing? Notice where in your body do you perceive your breath right now? Do you mostly perceive your breath in your upper chest area, or maybe in your lower ribs area, or your abdomen, or the back of your body? Just sense and feel. And notice. You might start to purposely slow down your exhale a little bit. Let your exhale just be a little bit slower than usual, not causing any air hunger or agitation. Your inhale stays quiet. Don't have your exhale be so slow that you gulp for air. Let your inhale be quiet. Let your exhale be a little longer. And then as you wish, you might do a little experiment. So maybe you've seen pictures of people kind of meditating, and they've got their index finger and their thumb pads touching. And you could do this with your hands and breathe a few breath cycles. Just notice where in your body do you feel your breath, and how does your breath feel? And then change your index finger so that it's not the pad of your index finger, but it's the very tip of your index finger is going in the inside part of your thumb. And now breathe a few breath cycles like this. And notice, where in your body do you feel your breath? And how does your breath feel? You may have perceived a difference in how your breath feels in your body between this way and this way. So that's it. That's the whole breath practice for today. You can keep going as long as you'd like, and I will see you next time. If you got value in this, please like, subscribe, share. My name is Cami, and I'll see you next time. Bye.